Welcome back. In this week's edition of the Business Review, we delve into the story behind a local company that has been forced to pivot due to the COVID-19 pandemic and is now looking to expand within the region. Andrew Laidley reports.
Hema Luxe Limited is a skincare company owned and operated by clinical esthetician Emma Sobrati. But it's not the first business the entrepreneur started. Before now, Ms. Sobrati operated a day spa, and as she explains, that's where she conceptualized the idea for Hema Luxe.
The products we used, we found that there were a lot of overseas products, and while these products are great, we also have great ingredients here, and found that we were gradually making this transition, which ended up benefiting our customers in terms of their overall health for their skin, their hair, and it was more family friendly.
In keeping with the brand Jamaica theme, Ms. Sobrati ensures that her entire production is done locally.
All raw materials are sourced locally, and that was not easy. So we actually now have gotten really lucky after quite a number of years. So we have our jars, all our packaging, our labels, our bottling, our bulk products, which is the sanitizers and the aloes, are done locally. We do coordinate with and collaborate with certified labs. So that has made our life really easy. So all we actually do is fill and package in-house.
But the COVID-19 pandemic has thrown a curveball, forcing the entrepreneur to go back to the drawing board.
Things like our marketing strategies for in-store sampling that has been discontinued for this entire year pretty much, and we now have to figure out how to get more creative to have you, the customer, try our product.
In the meantime, the entrepreneur is looking to expand within the Caribbean community. She says the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, JMEA, has been helpful in her efforts to penetrate that market.
Right now, my pursuit to export, I'm fulfilling the CARICOM treaty certification. That's a whole lot of forms and stuff, but they are so helpful. They are spoon feeding me. They've emailed everything to me to sign up and to resubmit. And it's been good. The whole process has been really great. And that piece of paper really does help you to enter into the market of where you want to inject, instead of just thinking, oh, let me just ship it over and fulfill order by order. You want to have all the support, all the protection, especially when it comes to certain taxes, duties. You want the best price point also offered with your quality product.
At the same time, Ms. Sobrati stressed that her products have been lab tested, noting that it's one of the features which gives her customers peace of mind.
We are a lab certified product, and we are also Bureau Standard certified. So that is super important, because no matter how good your product is, you do want to give that assurance, that quality assurance that this is a safe product for you to interact with. And doing your due diligence with these entities, it's so super important. The Bureau of Standards is there to help you through this process.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.